Sean. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the live stream and the court is calling SP 12064-851. Sean Robertson, driver's license suspended. This is the date and time for trial. Also SP 12064-871. Sean Robertson, failure to signal when leaving a curb, I believe. And this is the date and time for formal hearing in that matter. If Sean Robertson is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Sean Robertson is not in the courtroom.
He has not come out.
Could someone, Mr. Zaranek, can you go in and tell Mr. Robertson to come out, please?
Okay, Judge.
Or actually, we can close the breakout rooms at this point, can't we, Madam Clerk?
Yes, Your Honor. That's what I'm doing.
Mr. Robertson, sir, can you connect with your audio and video camera? Mr. Robertson, if you hear me, please connect with your audio. Unmute yourself. And also connect with your video camera. Mr. Sean Robertson.
That's how I do it. I talked to him a few times.
Okay, let me see if I can send him a chat.
There he goes. Audio, I think.
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can't see you. Can you connect with your video camera, please?
Give me 1 second, please. There we go.
All right, Mr. Robertson, thank you. Okay, we can barely see you. Are there any lights on in there?
Yeah, I just got work right along. So.
Okay, Mr. Robertson, we read your cases into the record. This is a date and time for formal hearing on failure to signal when leaving the curb. I believe that was the formal hearing. And that's ticket number SP 1204871. And the other ticket is SP 12064-851. And that is driver's license suspended. That matter is scheduled for trial. The officer is here. Mr. Robertson, please say your name for the record.
Sean Robertson.
Thank you. And who's representing Mr. Robertson?
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Robertson, Your Honor. He also has a Z804-8101 ticket, Judge, that's up for trial today.
Is that on my docket?
It is, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, you're right.
They just added his middle name.
Okay, Z804-8101, Sean Robertson, and that is operating without a license. That matter also scheduled for trial. Officer Kalicki, are all three of these your cases, ma'am?
The two cases that I have are 4871 and 4851.
All right, ma'am, would you please place your appearance on the record?
Yeah, Officer Sarah Kalicki, Detroit Police Department, badge number 3380.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Officer Kalicki, for being here. And Mr. Zaranek, how are we proceeding?
Judge, there is a plea agreement in this matter that Mr. Robertson is going to plead to a blockading and all the other matters are going to be dismissed. He's ready to enter that plea.
Okay, and is the blockading going to be for the signal failure to signal?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And Officer Kalicki, are you all right with this
Yeah.
recommendation?
Yes, I am.
Okay, thank you very much for being here, and we can excuse you now and appreciate your patience. Madam
All right.
Prosecutor, did you want to be heard in this matter at all?
No, Your Honor. I just want to thank the officer for joining us today and say farewell.
Thank you. Okay. All right. Mr. Robertson, since the plea is to a civil infraction, I will not have to swear you in. I merely need you, sir, to indicate for the record that on the date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 0648, no, I'm sorry, 064871, in the city of Detroit, sir, were you driving a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And did you fail to signal as you left a curb? That matter is going to be amended, but I do need you to plead to the charge or to plead responsible to that civil infraction. Are you pleading responsible, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And we will amend that to blockading traffic. And the fine for blockading traffic is $175. We will also dismiss the other matters previously read into the record. $175 is a civil infraction fine, so you have 14 days in which to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, Mr. Robertson?
Can I get a little extra time, if that's okay?
Can you pay it within 30 days, sir? Is that
Yes,
better?
ma'am.
Okay, so we'll give you 30 days to pay, and you can pay it online, 36districtcourt.org, or on the DivDat app, or at the kiosk in the lobby of the courthouse. Any other questions, Mr. Robertson?
I've tried to use that app, the DivDav thing before, and I was unsuccessful. Is there any way I can call in and pay it over the phone?
I think there is. Madam Clerk, can you help Mr. Robertson with that alternative?
I can. Do you have something to write with, Mr. Robertson?
Give me just 1 second. Had everything. Okay, I'm ready.
Number is 855-798-1547.
798.
And you can pay that over the phone 24 hours a day.
Okay.
All right, any other questions, Mr. Robertson?
That's gonna be it. Do I need to ticket numbers or anything for that?
I can give it to you if you're
Okay.
ready.
Yes.
It's S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 120-648-71.
Okay.
All right,
Yes.
okay. If you have nothing further, sir, you may disconnect from the hearing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.